Hello! Welcome to my little chatty, sassy corner here on YouTube where I talk about all things luxury, be it luxury fashion, luxury travel, life's luxuries in general. And if any of that interests you, make sure to hit the red subscribe button down below, because if we hit 500 subscribers by Christmas, I'll do a gift card giveaway. If we hit 1,000, I'll be doing a luxury themed giveaway. So today's video is all about one of my favorite handbag brands, and that is Strathberry. Now, Strathberry has been seen on both the Princess of Wales, Kate Middleton, as well as the Duchess of Sussex, Meghan Markle, and they have released a brand new bag. I did order it over Black Friday weekend from Saks, as it was actually not yet on the Strathberry website. And so I'm really excited to open this up with you guys, look at it, give you my reactions, show you what fits, and then compare it to the other two Strathberry bags that I have at the end. So with that, let's get into it. So when you order from Strathberry itself, you get a box. When you order from Saks, you just get the little tote bag. And that's fine with me, as I don't really store my bags in their boxes. But this is the bag that I ordered. It is the Multrees Leather Hobo bag, and this is in the beautiful bottle green color. It's coming up much brighter on camera with my lights coming onto it, but it is a really beautiful deep bottle green. I do think that the website pictures are the most accurate of this color, because like I said, this is showing up brighter in person than it is in real life. But let me, oh, this has foam. Let me remove this foam. And so while it does have the bar here, unlike other Strathberry bags, instead of like you tucking the flap in, this is actually controlled with just a magnet. So you flip it back and pull out the stuffing. There's a lot of, and the first thing you see is you see this shoulder strap, so you can carry it as a shoulder bag. I'll put in some mod shots, but this is actually a little bit adjustable, and so you can make this a little longer or a little shorter. But the neat thing about this bag is that the strap actually comes off, because inside the bag there is a leather crossbody strap. So let me see if I can figure out how to get this strap on. And now we have a nice long crossbody strap. And I will say it was a bit difficult to get the actual fastener here undone from the leather on both this strap and the shorter strap, so that we could actually switch these out, but it is doable. So this obviously has gold hardware on it, and then once we open it up inside, it is a tan interior, and then it just has one little pocket right here. So let's see what all can fit in this, and then I want to talk about the leather, because this is actually a different leather than either of the other two bags that I have. So first up, we're going to take my Victorine wallet, sunglass case, cell phone, Bastia, keys, more keys, makeup compact lipstick, and I still have some more room in this, so let's go with a camera case, and then okay, the camera case is probably a little bit too big. That makes it bulge a little bit, so I'm going to take that out. And then I'm just going to use this little book sort of as a notebook type filler. See how that fits down there. Book really doesn't fit. Okay. And so I do still have actually quite a bit of room on top. It's just that it needs to be a thinner item because bulkier items like my camera case and the book really didn't fit very well. But just to show you what it looks like on the inside, hopefully without spilling anything. So that's what it looks like with all of that in it, with the sunglass case, wallet, phone, makeup compact, lipstick, keys, and sunglass case. So in terms of capacity, actually pretty big. I think, expecting this bag to be a little bit bigger, but it honestly really is not that bad. And so I'm pretty happy with the size. They also have a bigger size, which is the midi. And the biggest thing about the midi that I didn't particularly like is that it's a lot wider this way. And so I felt like that would just stick too far out on my body for me. But they do have a lot of different colors on this. Saks has the black, white, green, and I want to say tan as well. And then on Strathberry's website, they actually have a ton of colors in this because this bag is part of their spring-summer release. So it was not on the Black Friday sales through Strathberry, but it was through Saks. But normally this bag is, I believe, $555 is what I paid for it. Really gorgeous leather, really gorgeous quality. Everything about it is super nice. But I do want to talk about the leather for a second because this is a newer leather to Strathberry. They just launched the Multrees line back with the fall winter collection in several of the different bags. And it is a very smooth, very good feeling leather, but it does have a wider grain to it. And I hope this is coming up on camera so you can sort of see the pebbled graining in it. I do think that this is going to be pretty durable, just feeling it because of how the leather is grained. Now compare that to, I'm going to show the back because there's a wider shot of the leather. Compare this to the normal Strathberry East-West. This is a much, much smoother leather. So if I can get these two to focus together, hopefully, you can see this one obviously has a lot more grain than this one does. And then even though no one would confuse this with being a mock croc, just to show you, this is the mock croc finish to show you how shiny it is compared to this Multrees. So do I think that this bag is worth it? I think that if you are looking for a sort of hobo style bag, particularly with the shorter strap, that's not overly bulky but also isn't super tiny, like for instance the mini Jackie from Gucci, I think this is a really good, beautiful looking option. But I also think that this is really a bag that I would only buy if I'm getting some type of a sale on it. You will regularly see Saks running 20% off of Strathberry. You will regularly see Strathberry running 20% off of Strathberry. So definitely wait and go with one of the sales on these bags. But I do think this is a really, really beautiful bag. I had ordered it just because I wanted to see it. I wasn't even sure if I was looking for a green bag or not, but I wanted to know if this was a bag that I would like. And for those who live in the US, Saks has free returns on these bags. So if you get it and don't like it, you can send it back. Whereas with Strathberry, you'd have to pay to send it back. So Strathberry will have more color options, but Saks, if you really are unsure of the style, I think Saks is the better place to order from. But if you're sure of the style, I would go through Strathberry's website because of the fact that they have so many more colors for you to choose from. And it's really nice that it comes in the box from there. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any other questions about this bag, what it can fit, what I think about it. And I absolutely love Strathberry bags in general, so absolutely I would go with this. In terms of capacity, because it is open, I definitely feel like my stuff fits better in this bag than the East-West. But the East-West does look a lot dressier, so I think it depends on if you're wanting to go more casual or not. It definitely fits more than my Stylist, but again, the Stylist is a lot dressier bag. You can also carry this one as a clutch, this Stylist, and you can't do that with this. So this is either a shoulder or a crossbody bag. depending on which strap you put on it. Comparing this to the Nano that I accidentally ordered in back in the fall, I definitely think this is a much better value bag than that, as I was not a particular fan of the Nano tote. So overall, if you are looking for a casual bag, I would definitely recommend going with this one. But if you want a bag that can go more day-night, I still think that the East-West is the winner, just because you are able to use it for dressier events, whereas this one is definitely a casual style bag. If you have any other questions about this bag, please make sure to put it down in the comments down below. I am still trying to decide if I want to keep this, as I was initially just bringing it in to see the style, thinking that I would go with a different color potentially from Strathberry, depending on what the spring colors were. But honestly, this bottle green is so beautiful that I may just have to end up keeping this one. Hope you have a great rest of your day, YouTube. Bye!